Hey everyone, and welcome to another songwriting sprint with Hookpad. Today I'm going to try to write a song in just 15 minutes. So let's start right now. For some inspiration, let's see in the band templates, and I think, let's try out this electrofolk thing, and I'll just write down some one chords to see how this template sounds. Yeah, I think it's great, perhaps a bit too fast. Yeah, this is better. Let's add some 16th string. Yeah, I think this has a great groove. Now we have to find some harmonies to complement this vibe. So yeah, I think let's go for C minor here. And yeah, let's try if we can't write something like a Balkan, Eastern Europe pop song. Yeah, I think one way to do this is use like the major 5 here. And yeah, let's try this here too. And if we start on this, it already might sound a bit like Eastern European. Yeah, let's add some compression. Yeah, and let's try to write some melodies. So I imagine something like no, let's see. So we start on the 5th scale degree with a 16th note. Drop it down, let's see. Make this longer. And then the same again. And now comes the clue. If we have a major chord here, we have a B instead of a B flat, and this will give us this interval here, which is like a big, has 3 halftone steps, and this is what will sound like Balkan and Eastern European in our pop song. So let's just finish it and go back, so copy it, and now we have a C as top note, and here as well. So let's see how this sounds. The melody louder. Yeah, let's try if we can put one more note into it. Yeah, this is great. So let's copy this pattern here, or let's split this note here, and then just copy those to one. And now I think we could also try to go higher and higher with the melody to have like a bit of a climax there. So let's take these top notes and perhaps let's adjust those as well. Let's see how this sounds. Yeah, this is not bad, but I think we have to adjust the other parts of the melody here too. And perhaps let's take this upwards here. Okay, this is great, and now we have to adjust this one. Let's see. And yeah, this also higher. perhaps let's see how this sounds. No, let's try it like this. Okay, it's not bad, so perhaps we can mix up the chords a bit. Let's try if we can here go for the 6th scale degree. Yeah, I think it's not bad. Let's see if we can do it like this. No, I think it was better before. Okay, so let's copy the whole thing to make 8 bars and see if we can do a variation here. Perhaps another chord, see how this sounds. No, it's not bad. I'm not sure if it's great for this song structure right now, but let's listen to the whole thing again to get more inspiration. Perhaps let's put in a few more notes here. Let's see. Just make something better. No. I also would like to have like a bass line here. Perhaps something like this. Okay, yeah, perhaps this is not bad. Let's copy it to the end. See. So let's stay with the one chord here. Yeah, and let's create some more 16th note here for a climax. Let's copy it again. So oh. Sorry, my keyboard is hanging. Let's see it there. Let's see how this sounds. Not very good, I'm afraid. Let's see. Yeah, I think we should try to avoid those B flats here. So. What's happening? Okay. Okay, I take these buttons here. Oh, come on. Yeah, I think it's good for now. Let's see. Okay, so let's create something like a vocal or like a long melody. We have 2 minutes left, so let's see. Synthesizer, perhaps something like the singing song. Okay, it shouldn't be octavided, and so let's try it like this. Let's see. Yeah. Let's make it even slower. Try something like this. Let's start with something like this. Just copy it a few times. And go like this. Yeah, let's try this. I think for the time we have, this is enough. Let's see. And let's just create an end chord here. Copy this one. Create a new band. And let's see. So this one goes away. This one should be a break. This one should also be a break. Accordion needs a default sound. This needs a default sound. Bass needs to be a sustain sound. Sustain. Yeah, we don't need two basses here, so sustain. Tuba needs to be sustain. Oh, time is up. But let's just finish this here. Drums need a break. And we don't need any percussions for our last beat. So let's see how this sounds here at the end. And of course we need some notes. This one, make it long, and for verse 1 we also just do like a okay, so time is up, and yeah, let's listen to our little masterpiece. Yeah, I think it's not bad. I would change a few notes on when listening to the whole thing, but yeah, for 15 minutes I think it's okay. I'll share the project for you so you can open it in your Hookpad, and if you have something created out of this which is worth sharing, you can also put a link to it in the comments, and I'll be happy to listen to it and give you some feedback. Until then, see you soon. Bye.